Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. Can Cardano really make you rich? Can Cardano really make you rich or not? In this video, we discuss on the basis of price. On the basis of price changes, so keep watch this video till the end. And remember, my friends, remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Because in this video, we're talking about the future of the Cardano. Anyways, before starting this video, first of all, I want to say something about Cardano. You know what? Cardano is the fastest moving cryptocurrencies, and I think that Cardano is a famous. A lot of people holding Cardano. You can see here. You can easily understand the 24-hour trading volume of the Cardano. Cardano is the most famous coin in this time in the cryptocurrencies market. So that's why a lot of people holding Cardano at this time. So that's why Cardano is a viral coin in the market. Personally, my friends, I really love Cardano. That's why Cardano is my favorite coin. Let's see if we look the currently price of the Cardano. So 1.31 USD dollar is the currently price of the Cardano, and the market cap you can see here, offer down, available supply, offer down, and total supply. Everything is present on the front of your eyes. My friends, other side, if we talk about the last month changes, so I know, my friends, the last month changes, this month June month changes is not good, but after all that, you can see that the last 1 hour changes is again positive. My friends, that's not possible for every coin to only and only pump. No, my friends, there's no one coin that's price only pump. No, my friends, absolutely for every coin it's necessary to fast down. Sometimes the price pumps, sometimes the price jump. That's how they continue has travel, my friends. Now the question is that can Cardano really make you rich or not? My friends, personally, I have no doubt in this talk, my friends. I believe that Cardano can easily make you rich. Cardano can make you poor. Cryptocurrencies, my friends, in the cryptocurrencies market, we can't see about the future. But my personal prediction, my personal research about Cardano Ada tell us, that's why personally, my friends, that Cardano will make you millionaire, Cardano will make you rich. Because Cardano price is start moving upward very fast, and now in the next month, July, there is a possibility is to the Cardano hit 2 USD dollar. 2 USD dollar is my target for a Cardano in the next month. So absolutely, if they hit 2 USD dollars, so they will make you millionaire, they will make you rich. Anyways, how do you feel today about Cardano? Please also tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.